Hey guys, I'm back on here to do 2 more items from our Science and Social Studies menu. Again, you're going to do 2 things each day. So the first thing I'm going to do over here on our Science and Social Studies menu is the very top item. It says, find an item in your house that you can smell. Write a sentence describing the object using your sense of smell. So this is about our 5 senses. We know that we have see, hear, smell, taste, touch. So I'm going to use my sense of smell. I'm going to use my nose. I grabbed this candle from around my house. It's one of my favorite candles, and I'm going to smell it, and then I'm going to write a sentence about it. So here I go. It smells like pumpkins and fall, and it's very lovely. It's one of my favorites. So I think I'm ready to write a sentence about it because I used my sense of smell, and now I know what it smells like. So I am going to grab my pen. Now remember, friends, I don't have the board, so I'm using the computer to do this, and it's a little bit more challenging. So I'm going to start my sentence with a big, tall, capital letter, and I'm going to say the. I know how to spell the because it's a snap word. It's T-H-E. Good job. Now I'm going to write the word candle, and guess what? It's right here on my candle. I'm going to use my environment, so if I didn't know how to spell candle, I could look right there. So I'm going to write the candle. Alright, remember, don't judge my handwriting because we are working with what we've got. So, if I don't know how to put the word smells, I could go back to my e-learning menu and look up the word smells. So the candle smells. Now I'm going to put like. That's a snap word. I do know it. L-I-K-E. The candle smells like pumpkins. Guess what? The word pumpkin is also on my candle because it is a pumpkin flavored candle, so I can use my environment again. If you didn't have it on your candle or your object, whatever you're smelling, you can do your very best because you know all the letter sounds and you can stretch it out. I know you can. So the candle smells like pumpkins. I'm finished, so I need to put a punctuation mark, and I'm going to put a period right there. Guess what? I can go check that off my e-learning menu. Check. All right, now I'm going to pick something else to do. Looking at my menu, let's see what looks like something I want to do. I know, I'm going to make a list of healthy and non-healthy foods. We talked a lot about this during dental health and what was good for our teeth. So I'm going to make a list. This is healthy foods. This is non-healthy foods. So healthy foods are things that help make us stay nice and strong, and they help our teeth stay nice and strong. And non-healthy foods are the things that are not so great for us. So let me think about it. What's a healthy food? An apple. An apple is a healthy food, so I'm going to make it the word apple. What's something not healthy? Oh, you guys know me. Y'all know I love my snacks. So I think I'm going to put one of my favorite snacks, which is chips. Chips are not healthy. Think about another healthy food. I think I'm going to write the word celery. I love celery. Another non-healthy food that's not so great for us, but I also love these things too. Brownies. I love brownies, but they're not so good for us. All right, another healthy food would be, who can think of a healthy food? Think in your brain about something that's really nice and healthy for us to eat. Ooh, this makes our eyes nice and strong. Carrots. Oops, got a little silly handwriting going on there. And one last non-healthy food that I love so very much is my soda. We all know I love my Dr. Peppers. So there we have it, a list of healthy and non-healthy foods. Guess what? I can go check that off my e-learning menu, and I am finished with science and social studies.